Bullish 1CH cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.97 and $6.47 by 2030. Market experts accept 1CH could reach $2.97 by 2025. 1CH presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where cryptographic money exchanging happens without the contribution of an outsider. As such, no monetary establishment or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without segregation and must just associate their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that differ from one trade to another, and merchants attempt to purchase the coins at the least value conceivable to boost benefit. This digital currency guide will show you all that there is to be aware of the 1inch organization and its highlights. Regardless, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1inch organization cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. 1CH coin outline. The 1inch organization's ticker image is 1CH. It gives capacity to the 1inch organization and empowers clients to partake. These tokens offer their clients motivating forces as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Furthermore, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Besides, holders of 1CH coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related recommendation. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1CH organization coins. Despite the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1CH tokens, exchanging by means of computerized wallets isn't upheld. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1CH is 31,250 1CH, with a base cost of 3.33 1CH coins. 1CH is as of now worth 66 cents USD. 1CH has moved 1.92% as of now with an exchanging volume of $76,625,093. 1CH is as of now position 93 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $410,578,201 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for 1CH to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. 1inch organization value forecast. Might it be said that you are searching for 1inch organization cost expectations for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and need to appreciate where 1inch organization costs can go from now on? We'll take a gander at 1inch organization's past costs and see what specialized examination recommends about the 1inch organization estimate. The 1inch organization value expectations are exclusively founded on specialized examination, and I will utilize a progression of specialized pointers like moving midpoints, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, and MACD to decide the 1inch organization cost forecast. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous 1CH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. 1CH value expectation 2022. 1CH, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The 1CH cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 99 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 92 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. 1CH is supposed to have a base worth of 79 cents. 1CH value forecast 2023. In 2023, 1CH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1CH will before long outperform $1.65. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the 1CH's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, 1CH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.32 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.45. 1CH value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.31 and 1CH may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1CH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.11 and a low of $1.98 in 2024. 1CH value expectation 2025. in the event that 1NCH effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees. The 1NCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1NCH will be green in 2025. The 1NCH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $2.97, with a base cost of $2.64 and a typical cost of $2.77. 1NCH value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the 1NCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.43 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.30 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, 1NCH has a greatest value worth of $3.63. 1NCH value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.09. In the event that 1NCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.29. Neglecting to accumulate the help 1NCH requirements by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.96. 1NCH value forecast 2028. While 1NCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $4.62 and a yearly cost close above $4.95 in 2028. 1NCH value expectation 2029. By 2029, 1NCH will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.28 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.61, averaging out at $5.42. 1NCH value expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. Thusly, the greatest 1NCH cost in 2030 is projected to be $6.47 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.21. And, to sum up, 1NCH organization is a coin with a promising future, and its worth will soar before long. This cash likewise has a huge market capitalization, which is one reason it very well may be a productive venture. Our figure shows that while this money may not be a decent momentary speculation, its unstable nature gives numerous potential chances to long-haul financial backers. In any case, nobody can anticipate what will occur in the crypto world with any level of sureness. Kindly recollect that your choice should be founded on your gamble resistance and market information. Additionally, prior to putting resources into cryptographic money, get your work done.